In this video, we're going to show you how to protect files to the web viewer. In order to use Safeguard Web Publisher, you must have first protected your PDF files using Safeguard Writer. First, open Windows Explorer. Locate the folder containing the files you wish to protect to web. Right-click on a protected PDF file or select several files, and then right-click and choose Protect to Web. The Web Publisher opens, showing the files you've just selected. You can add files by clicking the Add button, going to the location of the files and adding them to the list. Consequently, you can remove files by clicking on the file and saying Remove. When the confirmation window comes up, are you sure you want to remove it? Just click Yes. The status field displays whether a file can be published or not. Files that have expired, for instance, cannot be published. If they're okay, it says Ready to Publish. Using the Options menu, you can change document options and select the watermarks options you would like to apply to the document. The watermarks you set here will override any existing document watermarks. Important note, we strongly recommend you always use this feature if you have applied watermarks to existing documents, as the options provided here are compatible with the web viewer. Once you're happy with your file selection and settings, click the Publish All button to begin the process of file optimization and uploading. All of the files you have added will be published. Once files have been processed successfully, the text in the status column changes to Published. When you are finished, close the Web Publisher window. Confirmation box will appear saying, would you like to save it as a project? If you plan to publish the same documents in the future to the web, for example, you may want to change a document's controls, then it may be convenient to save this as a project. If not, just press No. And close Windows Explorer. Before making documents you have published available to users, we recommend that you test them on your computer to make sure that there are no objects in the PDF files that cause issues with the browser, for example, interactive objects or animations.